What's up? What's good? So Love Me sent over a unit. They sent some goodies with the unit. This is their Glueless Minimalist HD Lace Bob wig. As y'all can see, the lace is really flat, HD. This is the parting space that you have to work with. I love that it's a closure. It has the adjustable band built in, and it's a nice construction. And this is just the hairline. Look, it's already bleached. Looks nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the comb in the back because I don't need that. It irritates me. So I'm just putting the unit on straight out of the packaging so y'all can see what the unit is giving. Y'all see you can literally just cut the lace, flat iron it, and go. But y'all know I gotta do that 1-2 thing. But I just wanted to show y'all how flat the lace actually is, and look how it's laying. Super HD. So I'm going to spray some lace tinting spray just so that the unit matches my skin tone. And I went ahead and cut the lace. I'm just applying the unit back onto my head. Like I said, you can wear this glueless. I don't do no glueless wigs because I need my wig on and secured. I don't play like that. So I'm brushing down my hairline. Y'all know I love having a little hairline, so I'm going to leave it out. I'm taking some lace spray, and I'm just going to spray it across, and then I'm going to apply my band. I left my band on for like 30 minutes so the unit can be nice and laid. Now we're going to go ahead and work on this part because, you know, we got to get into the part. So I'm just going to go ahead and reshape it just a little bit. I'm going to go in with my hot comb so that it lays flat, so I don't play. You got to get into that hot comb, honey. I'm just like brushing it out. I'm going to add some wax stick because we don't want no flyaways. And then I'm going to go in with the, I'm about to say flat iron hot comb again, and we're gonna get it together. Now I'm gonna work on my edges. You can make edges out of the wig if you want to, or you don't have to make none at all. I'm using my real ones, so do whatever works for you. Alright, so I'm going back with the hot comb. I'm just going to bump up the front a little bit so it's not as flat, so I have some body. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron on 450 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the unit. The unit took the hair really nicely. The hair is super soft, has a nice luster. I didn't spray any heat protectant or anything on the hair. I didn't see a need for it. And I didn't want my unit to go limp. So, yeah. Y'all see it's just flat ironed really nicely. And I did a little bump, not much, because I didn't want it to be too bumped. Okay, so now you can leave the part, but I'm gonna add some concealer to the part, and then I'm gonna lay my rat tail comb and spray it with some black spray, so it makes it really nice and precise. I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace so it blends and smooth it out a little bit more. And honey, we got a look. We got a Bobbiana. Okay, look at the part. Get into it. Nice and seamless. It looks so good. Like really nice, really full. I just love it. Like, so classy, so elegant. Just, you know, something you could wear throughout the summer to fall. It's just pretty. Like, I really love it. I know I gotta do it a few different ways. I gotta show y'all how it moves. It's bobbing. The bob is bobbing. Don't play. Such a hair behind the ear kind of girl, so I gotta show y'all that, because it's like, look at my edges, get into it. And I'm gonna do the other side, and I just think it looks so cute. So you can wear the bob different ways. You know, you don't have to wear it just the standard way, and it still looks really cute. Okay, you guys, so as y'all know, this unit is from Love Me. I worked with them in the past. They have some really bomb units, and I absolutely love their hair. So this is the Perm Ultra Straight Glueless Minimum HD Lace bob. It is ready to wear, ready to go. You can literally take it out the box and put it on. You can wear it glueless. All you have to do is cut the lace off. So I really do like that. It is a middle part, you guys, and it is in 10 inches. It's a 6x4 lace area. It kind of reminds me of like the T-part wig because it is meant to be like a middle part, so it has a small parting here, and then it does have the longer, so this is like 6 inches here, parts back 4, I believe. But yeah, so this is how it parts back. So it's really easy to go ahead and work with. It's a closure. Y'all know I love closures, especially because I like closures before I had locks, but I love closures because I don't have to worry about the side tabs, and I can just have my natural hairline out and it looks really realistic. So I just have like my edges out on the side, and I absolutely love that. It was really easy to work with. It already came cut as far as them, like I didn't have to like shape it up or anything. I just like flat ironed it a little bit, and this is how it turned out. I've been wanting a bob. I haven't had a bob in a while, so I was like, let me go ahead and show them a bob that they can definitely rock for this summer. I love the density. It looks really realistic. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's the perfect density. And like I said, it is a middle part, so I love that. And y'all know I have locks, and it's even laying pretty flat with my locks, so I love that. It has so much body. Like, love me. I did y'all a big one with this. Like, it looks so freaking good. The hair is super soft, and I do love how it's a little bit longer in the front versus in the back. It has like the more bob cut in the back, so I love that. If you want to make it a little bit shorter, you can, if you want something more blunt. But I actually like a middle part bob on me. I think it looks really cute. And I feel like you could even tilt it to the side if you wanted to do like a side part, and it would give like more of an asymmetrical vibe. So you can definitely get that out of this unit as well. You can create baby hairs if you want to, but y'all know I have a low hairline, so I just went ahead and used mine. But y'all see how like flat the lace is? The lace is super thin, so I like that. It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my head. And y'all know I have a small head, and it still fits my hair really nicely. So I really love this unit. Like, love me. Y'all did y'all a big one with this unit. It is beautiful. It has so much body. Y'all already know I don't have any complaints. The bob is definitely bobbing. So make sure y'all check out Love Me. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The wig that I'm rocking will be in the description box below. Make sure y'all go ahead and get this bob, because you need this bob for summertime. Like, this is going to eat down for like brunch. You need it. Like, girl, get you a bob. You need you something short and sassy in your collection. Okay, so I needed to add this to my collection. So I'm going to be rocking this summer when I want to switch up my look. Super cute. And y'all know normally I don't even like straight hair unless it's like kinky straight. So if I'm telling y'all this is bomb, it's really eating down and it's bomb. So like I said, check out Love Me. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The wig that I'm rocking will be in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.